Loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. And if you're old to my channel, you already know who I am. It's your girl back again for another video. And today I'm giving you guys my easy Instagram brow how to step by step and how you can achieve these brows, because I mean they pop it. So we're gonna get into this video. Let's go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Welcome back, guys. We're gonna get started with the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to be also using a fine liner brush, and I'm going to show you what this brush looks like. And also we're going to use a flat brush, so I'm taking the dip brow pomade and dipping my liner brush in there, and I'm starting at the bottom of my eyebrows and making an outline. This is key when drawing on your eyebrows or filling in your eyebrows. You don't want the eyebrows to be too over exaggerated, so I'm making a light line underneath my eyebrow, and then I'll do the same thing on top. So right now I'm doing a light line, then I'm gonna go back over with another coat and do the same thing. As you can see, it's really light. I'm showing you right here. Next, I'm doing the same thing on top, making a light outline right above the eyebrow, and then the same with the outer corner. Once you make sure that the brow, the end of the tip of the brow connects and everything is what you like, then you can proceed on filling it in. Now sometimes you can extend your brow to make a different shape, whatever. I like to make the shape a little rounder at the end, and then I start towards the middle and fill in for my brows. I know it looks a little messy. We're going to clean it up, don't worry. But I'm making like light strokes. Then I'm using a spoolie to blend it out. Blending is key. You do not want harsh lines when doing your brows. And I'm just taking the spoolie, combing up and over. And you can see the difference in my actual eyebrow and the brow that I drew in. So now I'm using Benefit Give Me Brows, and this is just a wax to hold my eyebrows in place. My eyebrows are so curly, guys. It makes no sense. So now we're going to do the same thing, and this gives you guys opportunity to practice. You make your outlines, and then you fill in accordingly. Okay, so now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty concealer, and we're gonna carve out our brows. So I make sure that I stick the concealer right underneath my eyebrow, just because I don't want excess concealer under my brow. Then I cut up and over, and then I blend downward. So you're gonna see me just taking the brush and blending up and then over, making another outline right underneath the outline you made. Then I'm blending downward. So you want to make sure you blend downward. And then after, we're going to take our beauty blender and blend. And also make sure you start in the middle of your brows, not at the beginning, because the beginning will start a smudge. So this blending in the middle makes so much sense, and it works way better. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and just blending that harsh line out. Like I said, I don't like harsh lines, especially when it comes to stuff. So the top is the exact same way. I just lay my brush flat and then make an outline from the outline that we made before. And you'll see me doing this kind of fast, but it's the exact same way. So now I'm doing the other side. showing you guys exactly what I just did, just a speeded up version. Just gives you guys opportunity to practice, or if you want to pause the video, you can do the same thing and just rewind it back. But literally showing you how the routine is like consistently. So make sure your brows are sisters and not twins. That's my one tip. So make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you lots, and join our family because you know you want to. Okay, bye.